If you've watched our previous videos, you already know what pad printing is and where it excels. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how a pad printing machine actually works, step by step. Everything starts with the printing plate. The image to be printed is etched into the surface of the plate. During the printing cycle, ink floods the etched image area, while excess ink is wiped away. The etched area holds just the right amount of ink to create a clean, consistent print. Next is the ink cup. The ink cup contains the ink and acts as the doctoring system, keeping the plate clean and maintaining consistent ink film thickness. Ink cups also help reduce ink exposure to air and contaminants, improving ink stability and reducing waste and odors. The silicone pad is the heart of the pad printing process. It presses down onto the plate, picks up the inked image, and then moves to the part. Because the pad is soft and flexible, it can conform to curved, textured, or recessed surfaces, allowing accurate image transfer where other printing methods fall short. Once the pad reaches the part, it gently compresses and transfers the ink. The ink releases cleanly from the pad and adheres to the part's surface. Proper pad selection, pressure, and timing are key to achieving consistent results. After printing, the ink cures through air drying, heat, or UV light, depending on the ink system and application. Once the machine is dialed in, the process repeats with excellent consistency from part to part. While the process itself is simple, machine design plays a huge role in repeatability, setup time, and operator efficiency. Quality components, precise motion control, and thoughtful layout all contribute to consistent, high-quality printing. In the next video, we'll talk about how pad printing machines are configured for different applications, including number of colors, part size, and production volume. To learn more about pad printing machines or explore options for your application, visit us at automarkco.com or reach out to us using the contact information that we'll leave below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. Hitting that bell notification will alert you when we share more great printing know-how. Thanks for watching.